One cool night, Buzz Lightyear's spaceship landed on a faraway planet. He opened the hatch and stepped out, ready for a new adventure. The planet was filled with twinkling stars, and the air was fresh and clean. Buzz looked around, his eyes sparkling with excitement. "I've never seen a planet like this before," he said to himself. He took a deep breath, feeling the cool planet air filling his lungs. Suddenly, he heard a strange noise. It sounded like a purr, but he couldn't believe his ears. He followed the sound and found a small, fluffy alien cat. "Hey there, little fellow," Buzz said, approaching the alien cat. "You don't look like any cat I've seen before. Where are you from?" The alien cat looked up at Buzz, its eyes wide with curiosity. "I'm from the planet Zog," the alien cat said. "I've never seen a spaceship or a toy soldier like you before. You're fascinating." Buzz was surprised but happy to meet a new friend. "I'm here to explore the universe," Buzz explained. "And you, little Zog cat, what are you doing here?" The alien cat shrugged its shoulders. "I was just exploring too," it said. "I love to wander the universe, meeting new things and learning new things." Buzz couldn't help but smile. They spent the night exploring the planet together, having an adventure neither of them would ever forget. As the sun rose, Buzz had to say goodbye to his new friend. "I hope we meet again, Zog cat," he said, his eyes filled with sadness. "I'll miss you too, Buzz Lightyear," the alien cat replied. "But I'll keep exploring, just like you always said." With a nod, Buzz climbed back into his spaceship and took off into the sky. That night, Buzz Lightyear had an adventure he would never forget. He realized that sometimes, the best adventures aren't about conquering galaxies or saving the universe. Sometimes, the best adventures are about making friends and sharing a moment of magic with someone new.